Service2Create is a single platform that unites logical and physical inventory. S2C delivers robust impact analysis and seamlessly connects with over 200 different NMS interface adapters, covering everything from GPON and WDM to MPLS, IP, mobile core, and RAN, microwave, and beyond. This is the future. S2C is a next-generation, cloud-native, low-code, no-code platform. Service2Create, or S2C, conquers your organization's toughest challenges with ease. It unifies modules like network inventory, GIS, leased lines, IP address management, telephone number management, workflow, trouble tickets, impact analysis, warehouse and spares, reporting and dashboards, and more. All under one powerful umbrella. Whether you need a focused app for a single task or a comprehensive suite, S2C adapts. Built with a mobile-first mindset, S2C is responsive, OS-independent, and designed for rapid configuration. And with built-in AI capabilities, it learns and evolves, bringing even smarter automation and deeper insights to your operations. Telecom, utilities, finance, railways, government, energy, mining. Wherever your mission-critical operations lie, S2C delivers the performance, scalability, and flexibility to keep you ahead in today's fast-changing world. It's more than software. It's a catalyst for innovation. So what does it mean for you? For fixed mobile, subsea, ISP, and even government telecom infrastructure, Service2Create delivers streamlined physical and logical network inventory management and automatic discovery across diverse vendors and technologies. Replace legacy inventory solution or integrate S2C alongside your current systems to unlock modern, customizable capabilities at your own pace. The real power of Service2Create? It's not just a suite of ready-to-use features, it's a platform where any functionality can be embedded. Custom workflows, specific data models, complex automation? No problem. Our customizable design means you can quickly tailor Service2Create to solve your unique challenges without being locked into rigid templates or endless code rewrites. From end-to-end visibility to fully customized apps, S2C is your springboard for innovation. With everything unified in one secure environment, you'll streamline collaboration across departments, partners, and external stakeholders. Today, tomorrow, and for whatever the future brings. Step into the future with Service2Create. Transform your network and infrastructure management. Empower your entire organization. Unleash innovation. The time is now. Are you ready? VC4, inventing the future of network management. Contact us today and experience the power of Service2Create. Built for agility, tailored to your world. This is Service2Create, the single source of truth for your entire network, physical and logical, in one platform. Every network element exists at a physical location, and the site is the central record that ties it all together. From the site record, users can navigate directly to every network object present at that location. This includes all active and passive equipment installed on site. S2C extends site management into the physical layout of the building through its floor plan and rack management capabilities. A graphical floor plan represents the site's floor space, showing the arrangement of racks and cabinets, walls, entrances, and labeled floor tiles. Each piece of equipment can be opened in the node form, where the user is presented with a graphical layout of the equipment. The layout displays every slot, the cards inserted in each slot, and the status of each component through intuitive color coding, so it is immediately clear which slots are populated, which are free, and what type of card sits in each position. Beneath the layout, all ports related to the equipment are listed together with their connectivity information. S2C brings the entire outside plant onto a single geographical map. Clicking on a line in the trench layer reveals exactly what runs inside it: the ducts, the fiber cables within those ducts, and the individual fibers carrying live customer services. On the left, the user can follow the complete circuit path of a single customer service, traced end-to-end from the OLT all the way through to the customer's ONT. Clicking on a manhole opens the manhole or butterfly view, together with the splicing diagram. This shows precisely how the fiber cables and individual fibers are spliced and connected to one another, giving full visibility of the network down to the fiber level. Clicking on a single fiber displays its end-to-end route on the left of the screen, showing every ODF and enclosure the fiber passes through along the way. For each section, the system provides the individual length as well as the total length of the complete route. Splice overviews can also be presented in a table view, listing each connection together with its corresponding tube and fiber colors for a clear, structured representation of the splicing. Designing fiber networks has always been the slowest, most labor-intensive part of any rollout. NetDesigner changes that. As VC4's new automatic fiber design module, it takes you from a blank map to a complete, validated network design in a fraction of the time. In this example, NetDesigner designs an FTTH network for underground fiber. The user begins by selecting the model, the network architecture that will shape the design. Next, the user draws a polygon on the map to define the exact geographical area to be designed. NetDesigner then imports the background information for that area, bringing in the buildings and streets automatically. From this, the module creates a demand point for every building and generates the background topology, the possible routes along which ducts and fibers can run alongside the roads, together with the cable entry points. This is not the design itself, but the full set of feasible routes that the design can use. We have also set the OLT location, which is the biggest orange dot in the middle. With the topology in place, the network is ready to be designed. A rich set of design rule settings is available, allowing the design to be optimized precisely according to your own engineering standards and preferences. It is now generating the optimal design according to your design rules. Once the design is generated, NetDesigner automatically validates it, ensuring the result is complete and consistent. The outcome is a finished end-to-end design, fully routed from the OLT all the way to the customer buildings and individual apartments, ready to be taken forward into build and inventory. To make verification easy, filters are available so users can switch between different routes and layers, confirming that the design is exactly as expected. The complete end-to-end route can be viewed per customer building. And the design can be explored not only in 2D, but also in a full 3D view. Not every network runs underground. Where infrastructure is carried overhead, NetDesigner applies the same intelligent automation to aerial designs, planning pole routes and drops with the same speed and precision. The workflow is just as straightforward. The user starts by selecting the area with a polygon on the map. NetDesigner then imports the buildings and streets, by default from OpenStreetMap. The user selects the OLT, and the module creates a demand point for every building in the area. From there, NetDesigner places the poles and the drops connecting each building to its pole. With these elements in place, the module generates the topology. As with the underground example, this is not yet the design itself, but the available aerial infrastructure topology over which the design can be made. With the topology ready, NetDesigner then generates the complete design. The user can open the 3D map view and split the screen. On the right, a full set of filters and settings lets the user explore the design from different perspectives. And across multiple background providers, switching views to inspect the network exactly as needed. From here, the complete end-to-end paths can be followed, traced from the OLT all the way through to each ONT. Service2Create and NetDesigner. NetDesigner brings automatic rule-driven fiber design directly into Service2Create, covering both underground and aerial networks, FTTH and point-to-point. Designs are generated in minutes, validated automatically, and born inside the same platform that holds your complete network inventory. The result is one platform, from design to record of truth. Faster rollouts, more accurate networks, and clean, structured data ready for everything that comes next. VC4 Service2Create with NetDesigner. Design smarter, build faster.